Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Docker installed, JDK 11 or newer, and your Java app builds to a single runnable JAR. Once done, create a Docker file at the project root. Use an official Slim base image to minimize layers and attack surface, for example OpenSht 17 JDK Slim. Next, copy only the built JAR and any config into the image and set a clear entry point. Make sure your build tool produces the artifact before you build the image. Once your Docker file exists, use a multi-stage build. Compile in a builder stage, then copy the artifact into a minimal runtime image. This reduces image size and speeds deployments. Make sure to set a sensible workdir, expose only required ports, and use the exec form entry point so signals are handled correctly. Then build the image with docker build tmyap 1, 0, and run it mapped to a host port for testing. If you need environment-specific config, mount a config volume or use environment variables. You finish by tagging and pushing images to your registry for deployment. Tag with semantic versioning and push. For local orchestration, use Docker run for single containers or Docker compose to define services, networks, and health checks. Once deployed, validate with Docker PS and curl the mapped port. If things go wrong, check container logs and inspect metadata. A common issue is file permissions or wrong working directory. Make sure the JAR is executable and the entry point path matches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.